This homemade trick was discovered by a Harvard scientist, and it has been helping thousands of men to really get a better erection and performance in bed. What is the blue salt trick? Guys, I have the perfect homemade trick for you that will make you go hard in just 15 seconds, okay? You will please yourself and your partner again, and all you're gonna do is just go to your kitchen right now, grab a pinch of salt, and do this 15-second homemade trick. It's super simple, okay? If you wanna know more about this trick, all you gotta do is just go to the link in this video description, and there you're going to find the perfect homemade trick video, okay? The one with step-by-step instructions that actually works for thousands of men. And let me tell you a secret. This is the trick that movie stars have been using to perform 3 to 4 rounds without getting exhausted, okay? This homemade salt trick will really help you with your performance. Well, if you want to know more about it, remember that the salt trick is hard to get right. That's why they created a much simpler solution, Nitrox Pro. Don't forget to click the first link in the description while this video is still available. Stock is running low, so act fast.